I love Australia. I always feel at home here, Nigella, 62, tells Woodman's Day. The quality of food in Australia is also just so good. The produce is great and varied, and yet it's not fussy or pretentious. However, that didn't stop the original NKR judge, 48, from showing some of that famous Parisian bite, Nigella reveals. "Oh, has a terrible tease," she confesses. "But I have a brother, so I'm toughened to deal with a bit of teasing. It doesn't upset me, because it just feels affectionate." The culinary superstar, who has more than 10 books and television shows under her belt, admits that she did feel some apprehension about starring in the reboot, which was a ratings powerhouse in its heyday, but saw a steep decline when it began to focus more on the drama between the contestants rather than the cooking. And anyway, you go and do it, and 2 seconds in, you feel incredibly at home because you're surrounded by fellow food obsessives. In the new season, which is set to premiere this Sunday, 5 new budding teams from each state will compete against each other, serving 3-course meals at their homes. And while Nigella is well versed at being inside a pressure cooker kitchen on MasterChef, she still couldn't hold back her nerves for the teams. "And I'm not going to give away any dishes, but that will happen, yes,